Brought to you by Preferred Insurance Center. If you're not with Preferred Insurance Center, you're probably paying too much.
Hello, this is Dan Mullenkamp with Preferred Insurance Center, and today I want to take just a couple minutes to talk to you about long-term care insurance, why you need to get the facts and know your options. See the picture in the upper left-hand corner? That's me and my mom. My mom was diagnosed with Alzheimer's when she was in her 60s. She passed away in her early 80s. We dealt with it for a long time. She was lucky. She had a lot of kids, and we were able to take care of her, and we were able to take care of her expenses, and she took care of a lot of her expenses herself, but when she passed away, she had absolutely nothing, okay? And I want to help you avoid that situation, and it can be avoided nowadays. You will have a plan, okay? Either you're going to come up with one, or the state's going to come up with one for you, but you're going to have a plan for long-term care insurance. And if you reach the age of 65, your chances of needing it are over 80%. So you're going to have a plan. You might as well pick it yourself. All right, just make an informed decision. That's all I ask. Get the information. I promise you this is not a high-pressure sales situation. All I want to do is put you in touch with a professional who will guide you through a process that'll make it very clear to you whether in your situation you need to have insurance or have a different plan. Don't think nursing home insurance, okay? That's not what it's about. Long-term care insurance can actually help you stay at home. And that's what we all want to do, okay? We want to stay at home as long as we can, and it can help you do that. All right, would you rather not be a burden to your children? Long-term care insurance can help you with that. Do you have assets that you want to pass on to your kids, or a charity for that matter? If you don't have a plan, it's very likely that you will spend a lot of your assets on long-term care, probably more than you can afford. A nursing home is $6,000 a month now. How many of you can afford that? The laws in Ohio have changed. The state will reward you for having long-term care insurance. They want you to have the insurance. It relieves them of a burden, and it helps you pass assets on to your children or a charity if that's what you want to do. You can speak to one of the best long-term care professionals in the entire country. Ken Patterson is the person I work with on this. He is absolutely fantastic. I have a video from one of my clients who went through this process with Ken Patterson. It's not a long, drawn-out thing. He ended up not buying the insurance, but he wanted to do a video and just tell us how important it was for people to go through the process. And it's, again, no pressure, absolutely no pressure, just information. So there should be a form to the right you can fill out requesting that I put you in touch with Ken Patterson. And there's also a link to the video with the client that I spoke about. This is very important, okay? You need to do this. Again, it's Dan Mullenkamp from Preferred Insurance Center. Thank you.
Brought to you by Preferred Insurance Center. If you're not with Preferred Insurance Center, you're probably paying too much.